The Mi 6X, Xiaomi's new phone, which going by track record might just be the Mi A2. Well, it's here today, and in this video, let's unbox it and take a quick look. Hey guys, Ash here from C4E Tech, and before we begin, here's a card to our latest giveaway. I'll also be leaving a direct link in the description below. And while you're down there, hit that bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our daily content. Let's now get started. Opening up the box, we've got a Type-C to 3.5mm converter. Yep, no headphone jack on this one. Then there's a SIM ejector tool, some regular leaflets, and a soft case. Finally, we get the Mi 6X itself. Let's peel the plastic off. It kind of reminds me of the Redmi Note 5 Pro with that camera placement. The case fits snug, should help with the grip. We then have the charger and a USB Type-C cable. So let's now get back to the Mi 6X and take a closer look. Xiaomi's made a few changes here from the Mi 5X or Mi A1. And the first major one, like I said, there's no 3.5mm headphone jack here. We just have a Type-C port, primary microphone and speaker at the bottom. The power button and volume rockers are located to the right. A secondary noise cancelling microphone and an IR blaster can be found up top. To the left, we have a tray. And here's the second major change. There is no support for microSD. This is just a dual SIM card tray. Sad. Another major change is what we get to the front. Keeping up with 2018 trends, we get an 18:9 panel here. This is a 5.99-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD panel. It looks quite nice, similar to what we've seen on the Redmi Note 5 Pro. Above this panel, we've got the sensors, a front-facing flash, a earpiece, notification LED, and a 20-megapixel selfie camera. Due to the 18:9 panel, we don't get capacitive keys at the bottom. To the back, we've got a dual camera setup with a dual tone dual LED flash in between. Then there is a fingerprint scanner. In our time with it so far, it's been fast and responsive, as with most fingerprint scanners these days. Well, on the topic of biometrics, Xiaomi's also thrown in support for face unlock. So coming back, we've got the Mi branding to round things off at the back. The Mi 6X, despite the extra screen size, is still as slim as its predecessor at 7.3mm. The weight's gone up by just 5 grams, so this phone feels deceptively light. It's a tad taller but narrower than its predecessor too. So Xiaomi's done a good job with the build overall. Anyway, let's now take a quick look at what's on the inside. The Mi 6X is powered by the Snapdragon 660 chip. Now this is a very powerful chip. We've seen it used on the likes of the Oppo R11 and Mi Note 3. We have Adreno 512 handling GPU duties, and Xiaomi offers 464, 664 and 6128 RAM storage options. On the battery front, we've dropped 70 mAh. It's a 3010 mAh battery now. Given the increase in screen size and a move towards more powerful innards, this might mean battery life could take a hit. Anyway, we'll test it and have more to say in my full review. On the software side of things, the Mi 6X is currently running on MIUI 9.5 built on top of Android 8.1 Oreo. I'm not going to focus on software here since one, if it launches globally, it's probably going to come with stock Android as part of the Android One program. Two, we've seen MIUI 9 and 9.5 on many devices till now. So I will just leave a card to my dedicated top MIUI 9 features video here. So check that out for more information. One major feature worth talking about here is gesture navigation. Mi 6X has support for it. Swipe from the sides for back, bottom for home, and swipe and hold for recent apps. Seems intuitive, but you do lose out on quick switch. As far as the camera goes, there are two cameras to the back. The primary camera has a 12-megapixel sensor with 1.25 micron-sized pixels, while the secondary camera has a 20-megapixel sensor with 1 micron-sized pixels. Both sensors use f1.75 lenses. Given the AI buzz, Xiaomi says it can intelligently identify up to 206 kinds of scenes when taking photos, optimize and tune it in real time to get the best images possible. The secondary sensor can also combine 4 pixels into one to get more light for low light shots, kind of similar to what the P20 Pro does. So how do you find these samples? Let us know in the comments below. By the way, there is portrait mode available for both the rear as well as the selfie cameras now. Now, with regards to price, the Mi 6X currently retails for 1599 yuan in China. So if it comes to India, as the Mi A2, it could be priced at 15999, about 1000 rupees more than the Mi A1's launch price in India. So if it does come at this price, it might be a great offering. if Xiaomi manages to work out their update issues, the issues that have plagued Mi A1 users in the past few months. Anyway, more on all that in the full review. So that's it for this quick unboxing and hands-on with the Xiaomi Mi 6X. Vote this video down if you hated it, give it a big thumbs up if you liked it, and for more videos like this, including the full review, hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't yet. If you've already subscribed, hit that bell icon to make sure you get notified every time a new video goes live here on C4 Tech. And so now it's time I bid you adieu. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, this is Ash here from C4 Tech signing off. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.